In this video, I'll show you how to do graph analysis with ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT for graph analysis. It helps to understand that different versions of ChatGPT Free versus Plus offer varying levels of features. As of April 2025, the GPT 4.5 model and advanced data analysis ADA tools are available to both free and Plus users, though the Plus version provides a faster and more capable experience. You can use ChatGPT to work with data tables and create different types of visualizations. For example, you can ask for a list of the top 5 most populous cities in the world and then tell ChatGPT to present this information in a table. The AI will often add extra data, like population figures. Even if you didn't ask for them to customize a table, you can specify details like column, order, and formatting. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to show population figures in millions, with 1 decimal point, and rearrange columns in the order of rank. Country, city, and population. ChatGPT also supports generating charts, including bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, histograms, scatter plots, and more. Some charts can be created directly, while others may require Python coding or instructions to use with Excel. You can upload datasets such as CSV files to ChatGPT using the Upload button. Once uploaded, you can request the AI to analyze the data or display specific parts of it. For example, with a baby names dataset, you can ask for a pie chart showing the percentage of male versus female names, and even specify custom colors for the chart. If the chart's colors or labels don't come out right, you can ask ChatGPT to fix them. It's also possible to explore data more deeply by normalizing or filtering it, for example, showing ethnic distribution within a dataset in a pie chart using soft or light color tones. Using ChatGPT for graph analysis allows you to generate insights and visualizations directly through text prompts, making it accessible even if you don't have technical data analysis skills. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more useful content like this.